Good morning. Today we will do revision of chapter 2nd, that is noun, that you have already learned in the month of April. Noun. Noun is one of the important parts of speech. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. For example, Ram, school, book, fan, everything is noun. Here in this chapter, we will revise some type of noun, that is common noun, proper noun, collective noun, singular noun and plural noun. Common noun. First I will explain you common noun. The names given in common to every person, place, animal or thing are called common noun. For example, boy, girl, river, book. Proper noun. Proper nouns are the names given to particular people, person, animal or things. For example, Ram, Pinky, Ganga, English book. Now I will differentiate between common noun and proper noun. Suppose this book. Book means any book. So it is common noun. If I say language book, then it is proper noun. Third one is collective noun. Collective noun is the group of noun. A collective noun is a word used for group of person, animal or things. Example, a team of players, a crowd of people. Now, singular noun. Singular noun refers to one person, place, animal or thing. Example, book, toy, mango, pen, pencil. Plural noun. Plural noun refers to more than one person, place, animal or things. Books, example, books, toys, mangoes. Now I will tell you the rules how to make singular noun to plural noun. So I will tell you some rules how to make noun from singular to plural. B add s to most singular nouns to change them into plural nouns. For example, crows, school. School be add s, then it becomes plural. Girls, toffees. Most singular nouns that end with y are changed into their plural by removing y. We will remove this y and add ies. For example, butterfly. Here at the last there is y. We will remove this y and we will add here ies. So it becomes butterflies. Story becomes stories. However, just s is added if the y comes after vowels. Monkey. Here this is vowel and y is coming after it. So it becomes monkeys. Toy becomes toys. Here in this toy we are not removing y. We are just adding here s for making the plural. Most singular nouns that end with f or fe are changed into their plural by removing f or fe and adding ves to them. Leaf, for example, leaf. Here f is there. We will remove this f and we will add ves. Knife, we will remove this fe and we will add ves. Most singular nouns that end with o are changed into their plural by adding es to them. Buffalo, it become buffaloes. Mango become mangoes. Some singular nouns that end with o are changed into their plural by adding s to them. Photo become photos. Radio become radios. Piano becomes pianos. Some nouns are used only in their plural forms. Jeans, socks, scissors. They are always used in their plural forms. Some nouns are the same in their singular and plural forms. So they are both in the same form. We cannot change them. Deer. Deer is singular also and it is used as plural also. Ship, aircraft. Some nouns change completely in their plural forms. Men become men. Here spelling change. Ox become oxen. Goose become geese. Thank you. I am giving you some homework for your revision. Change the following singular nouns to plural forms. Wolf, lady, child, knife, sheep, valley, woman, army, mouse, wife. You have to make their plural forms. Thank you.